name is Daniel Basaldua. I'm the founder and CEO of Euphree electric bicycles. Our commitment is to design the most comfortable urban e-bikes for you to enjoy a relaxing ride or speedy commute. We are adding the City Robin Model 2022 to our product line, and it is my pleasure to tell you about the technical specifications, improvements, and design changes. Let's start by talking about the changes we made to the frame. We have designed this bike with an integrated battery in the down tube for an even weight distribution. The rear rack is now welded into the frame for a clean, even look, and it increased the carrying capacity up to 100 pounds. The City Robin 22 is outfitted with 27.5 by 2.1 hybrid city and trail riding tires for more grip and better traction. You will have more control over your ride and feel at home in multiple environments. To protect you from the elements, the new City Robin comes standard with metal front and rear fenders. The new LED lights are twice as bright as the previous model, so you can feel at ease riding at dusk or at night. The Model 22 is outfitted with a custom front fork suspension built to our specifications with preload adjustment for spring stiffness and lockout. A comfortable ride starts with a robust front fork suspension to absorb city bumps and potholes. Our design has 100 millimeters of travel, which is almost twice the commuter e-bike norm. Our step-through model has a minimum step-over height of 16 inches. The City Robin 22 comes complete with upgraded Tektro hydraulic disc brakes and ceramic brake pads on large 180 millimeter rotors. You will stop on a dime in any environment. Riders can adjust the brake lever reach depending on their hand size. Our goal is for you to ride longer, so comfort is a part of our core strategy. All of our e-bikes come outfitted with a premium seat suspension that has 50 millimeters of travel with vertical and lateral movement. You may think a full suspension commuter e-bike must be heavy. It's so lightweight that you can shift gears and ride it as a regular bicycle for a workout as well. Our e-bikes are known for their power, and we have maintained that standard. With up to 850 watts of peak motor output power, you can conquer any hill or get with the flow of traffic quickly. Your e-bike will be outfitted with a robust 48-volt, 14 amp hour, 672 watt-hour battery fully integrated into the down tube. A fully integrated battery helps prevent battery theft, and you can easily ride up to 60+ miles per charge on this e-bike. And the front display will give you the exact readout of your battery level and power draw. To touch on the final features associated with your ride feel, there are ergonomic leather grips and a display positioned front and center, providing all the critical information necessary while riding, along with a loud signal bell. We are excited to launch this model and the new accessories associated with it. It is the most comfortable, fully equipped urban e-bike on the market. Get ready to see your city differently. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to riding with you soon.